It's 3 p.m. You are fine an hour ago. Now your eyes are heavy, your brain feels like fog, and all you can think about is coffee or something sweet. So you grab a snack. You feel better for 20 minutes. Then 9 p.m. comes, and the pantry starts calling your name again. You think, what is wrong with me? Nothing. Your fuel system is just running the wrong program. And today I'm going to show you exactly what's happening and how to fix it in 2 simple steps. Hi, I'm Al. I'm an engineer by training, and a few years ago I was almost type 2 diabetic, 20 kilograms overweight and crashing every single afternoon. I thought that was just normal at 40. I was wrong. So in this video I'll explain you why the 3 p.m. crash happens, why it always leads to 9 p.m. pantry raid, and what 2 small changes stop the cycle for me completely. Stay to the end, I'll give you something practical you can start today. Think of your blood sugar like a roller coaster. When you eat certain foods, especially simple carbs, sugary snacks, or just coffee on empty stomach, your blood sugar goes way up. Your body panics a little. It sends out a hormone called insulin to bring it back down, and it brings it down fast, too fast. Now you're lower than before. That's the 3 p.m. wall. Your brain has one message when blood sugar drops: get sugar, get carbs, get something now. It's not hunger, it's a fuel alarm. And here's the part nobody explains. The 9 p.m. craving isn't a 9 p.m. problem. It started at 7 in the morning when you skipped breakfast or had just coffee. Or at 12 when lunch was fast food or something light with no protein. By 9 p.m. your body has been running on bad fuel all day. It's exhausted, and it wants the fastest energy source it knows: sugar. Every time. Not because you're weak, because your roller coaster never stopped. 2 changes, that's it. Change number 1, protein first. Always, every meal, every snack, protein goes in first. Not first on the plate, first in your mouth. Eat the eggs before the toast, the chicken before the rice, the tuna before anything else. Why? Protein slows down how fast sugar gets into your blood. Instead of a spike, you get a steady rise. Instead of a crash, you get stable energy for 4 to 5 hours. That's it. No special diet, no counting calories, just eat your protein first. When I started doing this consistently, the 3 p.m. wall disappeared. Not immediately, after about a week. And when the 3 p.m. wall disappeared, the 9 p.m. raid got much quieter. Change number 2. Fix the 3 p.m. moment directly. When the 3 p.m. crash hits, most people reach for coffee or something sweet. That patches it for 20 minutes. Then it crashes again harder. Instead do this. First, drink 300 to 500 milliliters of water. Not juice, not coffee, water. Many times what feels like 3 p.m. hunger is actually dehydration. Wait 10 minutes. Change. Second, move your body for 60 seconds. March in place, 50 wall push-ups, 20 squats, anything. Movement tells your body to use the stored fuel it already has. Blood sugar stabilizes without eating a single thing. Third, if you're still hungry after that, have something with protein and fiber. A boiled egg, a handful of nuts, Greek yogurt, not a biscuit, not coffee. Protein and fiber. I did this every day for 2 weeks. The 3 p.m. crash stopped being a crisis, and my 9 p.m. evenings became, for the first time in years, calm. I want to say one more thing before the end. This isn't just about losing weight. When your blood sugar is stable, your mood is more stable. Your patience with your kids at 6 p.m. is better. Your sleep is deeper. Your morning is easier. Your whole day changes because the roller coaster stops. I went from almost diabetic to clean health tests. Not with a diet, but by fixing the fuel system that was broken. If you want to put this into practice tonight, I made a free 10-minute night reset card. It includes the exact 3 p.m. protocol and the evening routine I use every day. Link is in the description below, or comment crash and I send it to you directly. And if this video helped you, share it with one parent who hits the 3 p.m. wall every day. See you in the next one.